I like St. Hope because they're very hands-on, and I think my child likes that they have a hands-on approach as well, and they find things for him to continue to do. Sometimes he finishes his work and they'll provide additional work just to keep him challenged. He loves math. Math is his focal point for everything. Without math, the house probably wouldn't run. He just loves it, and they love that he loves it. I'm Jennifer Tolliver, parent of Jaden Tolliver, an 8th grader. Jaden is my oldest. I have 2 children, and he's the oldest son of mine. So everything I'm doing now is a learning, I'm just learning. It's hands-on, and I'm happy that they actually lead and direct me to the areas that I'll need, especially for someone who's strong academically. I do believe that St. Hope encourages programs that will also assist in higher education, whether it's high school or later on for college, and they don't overload the kids with too much work, understanding that kids still have other subjects that they have to tend to or other programs, and they keep that in consideration. I don't think that they're more helpful to overachievers than they are for underachievers. I believe they give the same effort to all kids on all different levels, whatever level they are at. I'm just grateful for all the attention and the consideration they've shown Jaden thus far, and I do appreciate it because they've been guiding me in the right direction in the area where I have zero knowledge. With Jaden being my oldest child, this is all new to me, and they're easing me into the process.